Hello adventurers, and welcome back to my channel. This morning I'm waking up and look a little tired still because it rained last night, and I thrive in the rain. I just sleep so well. So this morning I woke up and was like, okay, it's gonna take me a minute to get myself together. I started working on some stuff, as you guys can see, and well, everybody else is kind of also moving slow. So we're just kind of taking it easy today. Today is gonna be a fun one though. I'm gonna show you all the behind the scenes of the things that we're filming, and it should be quite interesting to say the least. But first I have to put myself together and prepare myself for the craziness that is cooking with some very wild ingredients, to say the least. So you're probably thinking, what kind of wild ingredients do you have, Bunny? Why are you cooking with crazy things? So we're doing a chopped style competition today, and I know that yesterday they kind of gave us a little bit of a heads up as to what we were going to get to cook with, just so that we could get some ideas, because it is so weird and wild. Huckleberry licorice was on that list. They're known for huckleberries up here, so it totally makes sense, but at the same time, cooking with it, I don't know where this is going to go. So after seeing what was brought to the table yesterday just for our potluck, I am very, very nervous about Anthony. I'm very nervous. He is really good at making very creative dishes. And so I knew that I had stiff competition already, but seeing whenever he made these little poussette things, yeah, I'm not optimistic that I'm going to place anywhere in the top, and I would be okay if I came in last because it's a good group of people to cook with. So today's going to be a very humbling experience, I feel, and so we'll see how this goes. But I haven't done one of these cooking competitions since the grilled cheese games, and so I am very, very excited. So let's see what happens in my day today. Let me get myself together. Across the camp, it looks like Goo and Christine are hanging out over by D. Collie's over there getting ready to look fabulous as a judge. Riley is somewhere over to the right here. No proof of life right now, but she is awake. She was out a while ago. Also, Annette was out walking Ziggy. So we are all slowly moving around, and realistically, I guess we could start by doing some stretches. So I think I might do that really quickly, and then I've got to put my mind around an idea. I just finished downloading, so we're getting closer. I got to put on clothes. I'm not looking forward to that because, you know, that means we're one step closer to me possibly just losing badly. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. I just hope that I can make at least a decent showing. That's the goal. Make a decent showing. At the same time, there's going to be people who are saying, oh, why are you doing this, Bunny? Oh, why would you put yourself in a place where you think you're going to lose? It's because I don't have to win to have a good time. And I enjoy my friends. And it's interesting because it pushes your boundaries to not only cook in a time frame, but also cook with weird ingredients, which I love. I thrive on. I used to really enjoy hosting people whenever I had an apartment in Dallas, and we would have people come over to eat dinner, and it was always fun for me to put together the pieces. So I am a at-home DIY style. I enjoy cooking because it's a love language person. At the same time, I'm pretty sure that we have some semi-professional cooks within our group. So to be continued on that. Again, I'll show you all the behind the scenes, and if you have already been watching my channel, you have likely seen the entire competition, so you can see what happens today that went on beyond what you guys saw. I'm sure it's going to be chaotic, but I need to start getting closer to that point. So I'm going to put my laptop up. We're going to start to do our stretches, probably just in my PJs. Okay, stretching in oversized clothes is harder than one might think. It's kind of got tangled up a little bit, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and change into my regular clothes for the day. So that means gotta go find them. Woo! Feeling better though already. Moving the blood. I thought about having some coffee, but I think that would be too much stress for what I'm doing. So I think I'm gonna avoid that. But I already have my clothes pulled out, so I'm gonna get dressed and then I'll see you guys in a minute. Till then, wow. Whew, I got all tangled up. That was weird. 10 out of 10 recommend stretches, but maybe in clothes that fit correctly. Okay, dressed and going to take my little walkabout this morning to figure out what exactly I'm making for this competition. I need to clear my mind. Okay, took a little walk and I thought about what I want to do, and I have a couple ideas. I just don't know if either of them is going to work. So I'm just trying to put myself together to give myself the best shot at this. I have my hair pulled back so that nothing gets crazy. I don't know how this is gonna go. One ingredient in particular is just throwing me completely off. So I don't know what today's gonna look like, guys. Could look really good. It could look really, really sketch. Yeah, super sketch. Annette's coming back from the outside shower and we're gonna start moving under here pretty soon. Okay, breakfast or champs. Hello, how are you? Is this working? Let me see. Test, test, test.
Okay, can you hear me? Check, check.
Time to do some cleaning so that we can do the thing. Time to do some cleaning.
Probably overthinking this moment in my life.
Okay, there's...
That was what everyone was yelling at me about.
Dun, 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 dun. I have a different kind of can opener that I'm going to be putting in my van, but this is what we have. This wasn't all mine, was it?
Totally fine.
No.
You're not. I don't think you're kidding.
I get it, Dee. I get everything.
Wait, if I need water for my thing, I need to grab water.
Oh. Wait, let's take this out first.
Okay.
It'll be a much prettier shot.
Hello, and welcome to the dungeon. I feel like a tennis ball, like a dumpling. I can't say nochi right. I don't call it gnocchi or nochi or goat cheese or they're just tater dumplings. Oh, sorry.
Listen, the VA hasn't given me an optometry appointment in 3 years.
Coming through. Are you catching the traffic jam here? I love the traffic jammy. Gnocchi. Gnocchi. Isn't this the cutest little prison shank you've ever seen? Welcome to Triple Cobra Ambo. He doesn't know it, but we're looking at his ambulance. It's pretty nice. You gotta go check his channel out. Maybe someday he'll do a video. You just filmed me. Well,
Very cute.
they still have.
No, Charles, because my clock is 2 minutes behind yours. We're done.
Yep.
Yeah, cooking should be done.
Okay.
This camera's just running, so you need this?
The notebook and a pen, yes.
Where did it
Am I in the shot if I get beer?
So, no, you're good.
Oh, your phone's kicking it out.
This one yours?
Okay.
Thank you.
As a son, you're in the shadow.
Judge this. Who claims this plate? Robert, where are my judges?
Okay guys, we finished the cook-off and it was super, super interesting. So you guys got to see a little bit of that footage, but now we have come to Sable, which is one of my favorite coffee shops here, and we are having some huckleberry coffee because I needed to get to some good Wi-Fi, and even though Charles and Tony have the Starlink, it wasn't testing to be quite as good as the Sable is. So I'm uploading to a Google Drive some of the footage so everybody can use it, and then also I'm uploading a video while we're working on this. So Riley and I are sitting here just kind of like figuring out what's next. There's a couple more days here in the meetup, and so we're going to enjoy that. But after that, I think Riley and I are going to get off to an adventure because you guys really like it when Riley and I go places, and I have something really cool that I think that we should do. So I think she'll love it. We will see how that goes, but that's not going to be until like Monday probably, so we'll see. Up until this point though, it has been great. I'm kind of tired though. Today cooking on a time frame? That's wild.
I'm just exhausted.
Riley's exhausted.
So tired.
So tired, and even with the coffee, we thought that'd perk us up. It's still tired. I think it's just, we've been going, man. But I'm shortening some clips down real quick while we're sitting here waiting on the upload. I'm just waiting forever for this thing. And then guess what? We're going back for more. Okay, we made it back and I'm much more awake now, but I need to crawl up on my roof and grab my panda because tonight we're gonna wear our weird, and my weirdest thing that I have in the van is the panda. So up I go. I'm gonna try to do it on this side instead of going around. So let's see if I can do this. First things first, we have to move the fun noodle so that I can get to the ladder, and then I'll pull the ladder out, and then, well, up there we go. And we have some clouds again tonight, so we'll see if we get to have our campfire, but it's not supposed to rain.
No, Zigsters.
You're okay, buddy.
And Ziggy's like,
I'd really like to help you guys.
you cannot help. He's like, I will lick the bowl clean for you.
I appreciate you, Ziggy.
The sky is gorgeous right now.